Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to use BlueStacks script editor for game automation. So launch your target game fast. I'll just use Block Blast. And then guys, when you're in the game, just toggle Control Shift A, like this, to enter this screen with the game automations. Okay, and look at the right hand actions drawer layout and locate the script tool element, which is this one right here. And you can assign a physical activation shortcut, for example, like V. Okay, so you just place it somewhere and set it to V as so. Now place the second one. Okay, now that's done. And hover over the newly dropped script box and click the tiny button right over here, this one right here. Click on it. And at the base of the element to launch the raw coding editor window pane. And now you can write out the coordinate logic instructions that command the emulation. So you can just script out your precise gameplay timeline and sequences using the hard-coded syntax parameters. You can use the tab command followed by target screen coordinates and introduce wait commands to cleanly clear animation barriers. So in here you can just type in your command. Then click on done after you've saved your script, and then you are good to go, guys. So that's how it's done, guys. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate that a lot, and thank you for watching.